we have a separate kitchen entrance over here. Big living room with a lot of light. You have a closet here, you have a closet here. They're doing some repairs in the bathroom. They replaced the bathtub. This apartment is going to be ready in about 2 days. Double exposure in the bedroom. It's a really nice apartment.